I'm gonna lose that one as well. Good morning, sports fans. I'm going to do a little daily vlog of my day, but it's not started off well because Ed took my SIM card from my camera and he didn't return it to me. I'm going to go for a run now. I would normally do a bit of skipping first before my run, but I've misplaced my skipping rope as well, so sort of don't really need to take you on my run. I can sort of run up and down the gardens now because you get the gist of what I'm going to do on my run. So I sort of get my legs going in front of each other at sort of a faster pace than walking. I'm going to do a 15-minute run at 70% of my maximum heart rate, and then 15 minutes at 80% of my maximum heart rate, and then 10 minutes at 90% of my maximum heart rate, 5-minute sprint at trying to get it above 95% of my max. That's today's run. I've obviously got the weekend, my first race of the season, or first proper race of the British Championship. So not a massive week in the training, but I thought I'd best start doing something considering the race is coming up. So I'm just steady away now in the first part of my run. I did bring you along because I thought I'd just treat you to it. So. Stretching is obviously really important, especially as you get older. I like to stretch a lot now through my shoulders with the shoulder injuries I've had, this inside part of the shoulders. I feel like it helps hugely with arm pump, purely because I feel like every time I get arm pump, I'm always hunched over, shoulders come up, so just stretching that out seems to help a lot. I've been doing it recently and it's also helped with my shoulder injuries that I've been carrying for the past couple of years pretty much. It was such a small injury, but just a little niggle. I think they really, don't know, it must just take its toll as you get older. But I'm actually going to my physio, Tom, at 10:30, so I'll see what he's got, see if he's got any tips for you as well. With stretching, little bits like that. He obviously knows better than me. What is it?
Look at this, the drinks in.
Optimum. This is Tom.
Hello.
This is his new little office. He was part of Function Jigsaw and now he's gone on his own, so check him out.
Solo.
Where can they check you out, Tom?
Optimum Derby Instagram, Optimum Derby Facebook.
And we're at Ed's, so we will see what Edward is up to today. I think he's packing some Kecks orders, as he's told me. He's in the in what he likes to call his office. A couple of those new colours.
You having them for free? What colours have you took?
I've took a green, a blue, and a peach. Did you spend all day in here then?
Yeah, all day. Pack all the orders in. Not your t-shirt, because you don't sell your t-shirt enough. Sell your t-shirt a bit.
Oh yeah. Sell merch. Little number 100, so if you want to buy that, there it is. Buy it if you want. If you don't bother.
This is when
it's quite a nice
William
top.
Does a bit of work. Sign this one, you can put that in the next order.
That's left hand, by the way.
That's a nice signature. Like you've done that as a kid's done that. Has Alfie done that?
Come on, we're going to go ride mini bikes. Well, I want to beat you at a wheelie competition first, and then I'll probably beat you at an endo competition second, and then we'll do either a 3-lap race. I think you're better in a race situation than a 1-lap sprint. You sort of hold your composure better in a race situation, don't you?
Very fast. I reckon he's in second.
What gear are you in? First! I've got no clutch. Go on then. If any of you are watching thinking, Ed's actually good at wheeling, the reason why he's good is because it's all he does. And that don't count because we're meant to go in a straight line. Yes! Ah, no, he's still wheeling. Quite good actually. Come on! Come on then! Let's go! You have to start from here! Alright, this is Ed's first attempt. We're gonna get 3 attempts! Go. It's not really a very good start. Shit! Oh, the pressure. He just can't handle the pressure, bless him. Attempt number 2. This is looking a little bit better for attempt number 2. Oh no. This is looking no good for me. Might as well just get in my van now and go home. Oh no.
Ah! That rot done me. I'd beat you, I don't need another go.
That's it then. I sort of don't even want to have a go now.
Schooled him there, look. Expect he'll have another excuse. The clutch is one. I wonder what his stoppy excuse is. Because he ain't beating that either.
Think I might as well give up. I'm gonna lose that one as well.
Oh, a dab. There's one go, one attempt.
That was better in his first go.
Feet, both feet off.
Let me have one more go, one more go.
You can have 10 more. You want to start halfway up the field as well? He's got a 20-metre head start there. Come on, it's embarrassing. Stop now.
I wish I didn't even suggest this game. Leave me one more chance, one more. My seat's too slippery.
Yeah.
And I've not got no clutch.
Well, you've got also had a 10-metre head start.
I haven't rode this bike in months.
Cool. What, honestly, the list of excuses. I hope the list is shorter this weekend.
Oh!
Do you understand what a stoppy is?
Do you use but 2 fingers on the front
Yeah, but a
brake or one?
stoppy, you're applying the brake, so it's going to slow you down, so you need to go faster. How many attempts do you want at this one?
4.
4, okay.
Because I feel like that was a waste.
Alright, cool.
Oh my goodness, that was good. Oh my goodness. Oh no, one more go. Oh, one more go.
One more?
One more. Ah! One more.
Oh, that was better. Scared yourself then, didn't you?
That's the best I've ever done it.
You scared yourself then, didn't you?
Yeah, I went quite high, and yeah, but I think that's how I've got to learn.
Do you want the show pony to show you how it's done?
How many goes do you want?
1.
Just one?
I only want 1 go.
How many hours a day do you reckon that you practice this stuff?
How many hours a day do I practice
Yeah.
it? Well, last summer when we built the Forgotten Round track, between me and Billy we must have done about 1,000 stoppies.
So I'm doing good then.
About 950 behind. You silly man.
Your area, race.
Well, I've got no clutch.
Yeah, how many laps? You still put without a clutch.
Well, I sort of need another competition after this to get so we can end even.
Woo. Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! It's a flood. Getting a bit excited now. Far too many mistakes so far.
The only way I'm going to win is blocking him.
He's hogging the track.
Just going to park it on the inside of every corner. I can go the long way.
Little outside line I got here, look. Little switchback, see in a bit, anyone? It's a bit naughty. No need for that. He rides quite well on this, John, Edward. Hey! Up!
Whoa! Oh, f***ed it on the final lap.
It's boring when I'm just in front. I wouldn't mind being in front like this at the weekend though.
Put him out to the cleaners.
Brave! Very brave move!
He's on the grass. I got the inside.
One lap! Last lap!
One lap dash then. He said don't let him pass. I've got a feeling he's going to run it in and deep.
He could be 3 for 3 here.
About halfway there.
What happened?
I lost the front.
That was such a good race, wasn't it?
I was expecting you to slam me.
No, I was being nice.
Yeah, I know, but when you said one lap, I was like, he's going to slam me.
There we have it, a little sort of a day in the life. We do sort of mess about quite a lot, but
No, this is not a day in the life.
no, it's not a day in the
You
life.
fucked about all day, Thomas.
No, it's not a full day in the life. It's like a daily vlog. Don't know, what would you call
Glorified
it?
Day in the life, we'll call it.
Yeah, glorified day in the life. We do this stuff, but it's, don't get me wrong. I don't ruin Ed's day every time on the track, 7 days a week. But that was good fun. Really enjoyed that. I've now got to go. I've actually doing a coaching day at a little track by me. I've got 3 riders this afternoon, so the graph does not stop. Burning the candle at both ends still. Thanks for watching.